As the winter frost finally thaws, we enter a period of rejuvenation. Spring is often described as a bridge between the harsh, dark winter and the intense heat of summer. While the weather remains notoriously fickle, 1 hour it's bright sunshine, the next it's a sudden downpour. There is an undeniable sense of optimism in the air. This is the time when the April showers work their magic, nourishing the earth and preparing the landscape for a burst of growth. In terms of scenery, the transformation is dramatic. We witness the emergence of life everywhere. Trees that looked dead only weeks ago are now covered in delicate pink and white blossom, followed by the appearance of fresh green foliage. In gardens and woodlands, a variety of wild flowers begin to carpet the ground. For many, the sight of the first snowdrop or crocus is a symbolic moment, marking the official end of the cold months. Wildlife is perhaps at its most fascinating during the spring. Animals that spend the winter in hibernation, like hedgehogs or dormice, finally wake up and begin searching for food. If you visit a farm, the atmosphere is hectic but joyful. Farmers work long hours to care for newborn animals, and it's common to see energetic lambs frolicking in the fields, testing their strength. For humans, spring is often associated with a fresh start. This is reflected in the tradition of spring cleaning, where people declutter their homes to create a sense of order and space. There is also a significant impact on our mental well-being. The increase in vitamin D from the sunlight generally boosts our mood and energy levels. Economically and socially, things change too. Local markets start selling seasonal produce like asparagus and rhubarb, and people begin planning their summer holidays. Whether it's gardening, hiking, or simply enjoying a coffee outdoors, spring encourages us to reconnect with the world around us.